Hey everyone, today we're going to do an unboxing video of my favorite product, Athletic Greens. All right, so anybody who knows me knows I am not a big product pusher or supplement pusher, so for me to do something like this says a lot. I fully believe in this product. I support this product. I have used this product. I have used it with myself and my clients. And stick around if you're interested in using it yourself, because I'm going to give you a little promo code at the end of the video so you can get a little discount and some freebies. And I've actually been using Athletic Greens for years, but they sent me another welcome box, so I'm going to do an unboxing video. I thought perfect time to do it. All right, so this is exactly how it came. Nice slim box, not too heavy. There's only one place to cut, which is awesome because nobody loves to wrestle with the box that they're trying to get into. I have my son's kindergarten scissors here, so you can see how easy it is to get into the box because all you need are kindergarten scissors. All right. Done. Probably shouldn't do that towards you, but that's okay. I like to live on the edge. All right, so ta-da! This is what it looks like. It says you're going to need a smaller cabinet, probably because this means that it's going to take the place of all of the supplements you've been taking. If you're a supplement person, this can kind of give you everything you need. Okay, so first we see, this is like a dark green. It's gorgeous, actually. I don't know if you can see that. Obviously representing the green drink. We have a little pamphlet here, informational pamphlet. I got my original box years ago, so I don't remember what was in here. So yeah, this just gives you like the history and what it's about and welcome, and great nutrition doesn't have to be complicated. That whole mantra of theirs talks about, what it's good for: energy, digestion, aging, replenishing nutrients, stress, mood balance. Lots of good stuff in here, lots of good information, and a nice QR code on the back if you want more. All right, past that little tab here, lift up, and then we see all the good stuff. Look at that. So, so this has changed a little bit since I got this last. So we have our packet of Athletic Greens. I actually got the double pack, so I have 2 packs here because I'm an Athletic Green hoarder. So this is what the packages look like. However, they do send you this little canister, which is cool because I don't love storing anything really in plastic. So this has a nice stainless steel interior. You can put your powder in here and then you keep it in the fridge, so it's nice and cool. This appears to be the same as what I got last time. This, however, is a little different. So let's see if I can get this out. Problem number 1, need 2 hands. Break the box if you need to. Okay, let's do this. Maybe it's like glued in here. No, it's just tough to get out. I can't, okay, there we go. I didn't want to break it if it was. So this is different, okay? So this is the new bottle, which looks like it has a quite substantial metal top, which is great. One less plastic thing. The original bottle looked like this. So this is the original one I got. It has a green plastic top. They've changed it, reduced the logo size. Still, there's a little measuring thing on here so you know how much water to put in. But this is great, so one less plastic thing. If I'm gonna be really nitpicky here, I wish this were glass because I don't like putting any good nutrients in plastic. So I actually use something like this, which is glass. But it's good to see that they've replaced the top. So one step closer to what I would like to see. All right, past that we have our scoop, and this is great as well because it's not a plastic scoop. It's a nice dark green metal scoop that says AG1 on it. So you can use that with your thing. And again, this is metal, this is not plastic, which is great. Under here, what else do we have? Nothing. It just says reduce, reuse, recycle, move your body, breathe through your nose, and drink AG1. So there you go. There's your mantra. So I did want to mention a couple things just because, like I said, I do recommend this to all of my the clients I work with. I'm a gut specialist, functional nutritionist. So this ticks a lot of boxes for what I look for when I am trying to heal someone's gut. And like I said, I used it myself. I used it when I had a major gut issue. If you didn't watch that video, I'll post the link below because it's great to learn about how to heal your gut if you need to. But this is full of everything. It's got vitamins, it's got minerals. So if you're taking a multivitamin, you can throw that out because guaranteed this is more effective. It's fresh nutrients. It's not something that's been, packaged in a dried up pill for who knows how long. It also has probiotics and prebiotics. And what's special about this is that this is formulated, backed by science. So they don't just like dump random things in here. They have prebiotics, which is the food for our microbes in our gut, that are specific to gut healing. All right. So this is really targeted towards gut healing. Same with the probiotics. They have specific species in here that are targeted towards healing your gut. It's not just random probiotics, which to be honest are what most people take, but probiotics need to be very specific. They have a specific purpose, every species does. So they've looked at the science, they've put the specific species in here that need to be in here to help with gut health. Past that, there are adaptogens which help with stress management and energy levels, feeling more balanced. There's also digestive enzymes, so it'll help break your food down, metabolize your food better, digest your food better if you struggle with digestive issues. There's also so many antioxidants in here, so if you have inflammatory issues, then this will help. But yeah, there's over 75 ingredients. I'm not going to list them all because there are tons, but it's all whole food. There's nothing, like no junk added, no artificial sugars. It's also certified for sports. So if you're an athlete and you want to take something that's going to help with your energy levels, this is it. Okay, this is natural. This will do it. And it won't get you flagged if you need to take a drug test. And guys, this is third-party tested, which means that we can kind of believe what they're saying because they don't do their own studies on themselves and then tell people whatever they want to tell people. They're tested by third parties, which mean other people outside of the company test them, make sure that what's in here is what is supposed to be in here and that it's effective. They've had research done on this product that shows when people use it, their energy levels go up, their digestive issues go down. So it's real. It's backed by science. It's been studied. I've used it. I've seen the benefits. I have my clients use it. I've seen the benefits. Let's get into it. Should we just make one right now? Let's do it. Okay, so since I just unboxed this and haven't washed this yet, I'm not going to use it, but I will try it at some point. But for now, I'm going to use my glass jar. And there's a little secret here. So before you pour the powder in, I always suggest to put a little water in first because it will help the powder not stick to the bottom. And then you don't need to shake it like crazy. So just put a little water in first. We'll tear this open. You can see how easy it is. Done. Oop. Got a little powder everywhere. That's fine. Okay, so 1 scoop. It is a delicious green color. We're going to put that right in there. Okay, and then I'm going to add a little more water because you're supposed to do 8 ounces. I do a little more than that for no reason whatsoever. I just like to hydrate. Okay, so let me stir this up for you. Bada bing, bada bing, bada boom. You can burn some calories before you drink your calories. No, there's not many calories in here. If you're concerned with calories, there are 50 calories in 1 serving. I'm not concerned with calories. Calories are energy. If you're eating the right calories, eat up. Okay, so I don't know if you can see that, but it's such a vibrant green, lovely color. And the best part about this is honestly, it tastes good. I've tried so many green drinks. A lot of them taste like you're just walking out your front door and grazing on the grass in your yard. This doesn't. It actually has hints of pineapple and vanilla, so it's good. I love it. Not kidding. I would drink this every day if I needed it. I don't feel like I need it every day, but I do drink it often just because I love it and it does give me energy. But yeah, I highly recommend it if your diet is lacking in nutrients or if you're having gut issues. Go get some Athletic Greens. Like I said, I'm going to link a promo code or a link to a promo code below, which will get you a discount and will get you some freebies. You'll get some travel packs and some vitamin D3 and K2, which is not included in this. But yeah, that's all. Athletic Green, folks. Go out and get some. I highly recommend it. I'm not being paid to say any of this. I just love the product, and so do my clients. Peace out. See you later.